the last number. Why are you dressed like this?
Oh, well, I figured since I missed your barbecue, I'd have my own out in the parking lot tonight. Because I make a lot of great dishes perfect for a summer cookout. And since I've become a vegetarian, I wanted to share with you all my tasty meatless options.
Meatless? You're a vegetarian?
Yeah.
Well, isn't that hard for have a
No,
barbecue?
there are a lot of things just as tasty as hamburgers and hot dogs and chicken and steak. As a matter of fact, if you don't mind, I would love to tell the audience all about my new outlook on food. Yeah.
Well, all right. Here's Eric.
Animals are people too. What did that chicken ever do to you to deserve to be served like that? Tied up on a platter, think about the life you take. Each time you cut into a big fat steak, only a meanie eats veal scallopini. Do you wanna live your life like that? No, you can live without veal parmesan, beef bourguignon, chicken tarragon. Give up filet mignon. Life will still be sweet if you give up meat. It's easy. You can even try and give up bacon. Fried heaven in a pan. Bacon. Taste the touch, the smell of bacon. I killed a porker with my own bare hands just to get a strip of bacon. Tomatoes can be nice, sliced with mozzarella and some pesto on the side. Very tasty. Or try eggplant. You could grill it or stuff the thing with rice. Very nice. Or there's pasta. Penne with vodka is an interesting dish. Just hold the penne or try spinach. You can steam it or bake it in a pie. Or spinach salad. How about a spinach salad? Delicious, nutritious, low calorie too. But if you want a spinach salad, really tasty spinach salad, you and I both know just what you gotta do. You gotta top it with some bacon. Oh, bacon. Fried heaven in a pan. Bacon. It drives me nuts, the smell of bacon. I chew my head right off a 10-pound ham just to get a strip of bacon. Woo!